The apprenticeship program at Reflection Writing has significantly increased leadership skills among the apprentices here.
Reflection writing is really good at helping us connect what's going on in the classroom to what's going on in the real world. The things that happen in the real world at reflection writing, we can connect those back to the classroom, to the content that we do at Howard.
Classroom education can take us only so far. If kids want to be lifetime learners, they do have to do that learning outside of the classroom as well. And I think the apprenticeship is a great opportunity for that, especially for kids who don't have access to outdoor spaces outside of school very often.
I have noticed a huge shift in my student Jahore. Outside of my classroom, there's a native garden area, and he came by towards the beginning of the school year, and he was like, "Oh, Miss Johnson, I see you have some poison ivy in there." And he came back the next day with his own tools and was so excited just to remove that for me. He's very proud of his position here, and he's bringing those skills to the school, and is just excited whenever he can use them.